Alright everyone, today here we have a Halsey ceiling fan with a wood motor housing. I got this fan off Facebook Marketplace a little while back, and this is actually one of the first few wood housing ceiling fans that I have. The fan is dated 1990, and the fan does look pretty nice overall. I especially like how on the switch cap in the switch housing, that's also completely made of wood as well. Definitely something I've never personally seen before. This fan also has a three-way light kit, which is pretty nice as well. Especially for a 5 light like this, usually it's either three-way or just on-off with all of them coming on at once. So that's also a nice little touch there too. Unfortunately, cosmetically, the fan is in average condition, especially on the light kit area with the arms here. They have some rust all over, and it's kind of splotchy, grainy. And the performance-wise, it does blow some nice air, but it also does have a fair wobble to it as well. When I picked this fan up, I believe it was installed on a back porch slash sunroom area. So I guess that would explain the tarnishing of the finish, but I'm not fully sure how the wobble came about, because when I picked it up, it was resting on the light kit itself, and even when I had it in storage all this time, the fan never was resting on its blades. I had it also just resting on the light kit as well, but it never broke the glass or anything, which was great. On medium speed, it does have a bit of a buzz to it, and that's just the buzz reflecting through the glass shades, especially because this fan didn't come with all the screws for the globes. And I can tell the original owners tried to improvise with different screws, especially this one here. And that one's actually pretty logged in place. I can't even get that one out without probably the work of pliers or whatever. But other than that, everything is original to the fan, minus the pull chains and all the bulbs, all that I supplied. But other than that, the fan runs and it looks really nice overall. So now we'll go ahead and give it a demo. Alright, and there you have it. Thank you very much for watching and hope you enjoyed.